have to show you guys this website and online business model that I found today that looks so boring, but is making insane money. And they're not even selling products or posting anything. But this website is showing up in Google search millions and millions of times every single month, and it's monetizing that traffic through Google AdSense. And the crazy part is that there's tools today that make these kinds of websites way more accessible for you and I to make. The only people that were able to make these kinds of websites years ago were like actual coding people. I don't know how to code, but we can literally make a website like this because of the power of AI nowadays. So let me show you guys how you can make something exactly like this, attract organic traffic, and literally make money with it. And you guys are literally gonna freak out when you see how much money these websites are actually making. I'm gonna show you how to do this using simple AI tools that anybody can use, and then I'll walk you through exactly how you can monetize it. I just want you guys to fully understand and see what's possible when you understand the business mindset behind these simple websites. If you guys don't know me, hi, my name is Isabella, and I became a millionaire within 2 years thanks to the power of online business and social media. And I'm dedicated to 100% free courses on my YouTube channel to help you do the same. So let's get right into this. So the website that I want to show you guys today is this word counter, wordcounter.net. At first glance, this website is so basic. It just shows your word count, character count, how long your text will take to read. And I remember when I was in school, the teachers would tell us to use this website to check our essays to see like how long they were. And here's the thing that people don't really realize is that people search for this kind of stuff all the time. They search things on Google like word counter, character count tool, word count online, like all of this Google traffic just sends these people to websites like this. Now let's talk about how these websites actually make money, because I didn't even know that they made money. This is like actually so crazy. So if we take this link and we go over to SimilarWeb, which anyone can look up, we can actually see estimated website traffic, and you can pull this information also from ChatGPT. You can see that this word counter is getting millions of views monthly. And if we scroll down to marketing channels, we can see that over 61 of that traffic was organic, which equaled to about 7.9 million organic visits. Again, organic traffic is just traffic that is naturally found through Google. People searching on Google and clicking on it. Nobody paid for those visitors. It was free traffic. So how does the site actually make money? One way is through these display ads. When you go onto this website or any website that you use, you can see ads pop up immediately. And there's an ad on the first page. There's an ad near the bottom. They're all over the place. And when you scroll, there's another large display ad. So on one page, I counted 3 ads or more, and these are all called display ads. The display ads on websites pay based on impressions, how many people are seeing them. Nobody has to click on the ad for that person to make money. Display ads can commonly range from about $2 to $10 per 1,000 impressions, with average campaigns often landing around $3.12. So the ads themselves are the business model here. The website just needs the traffic, and the website has to have some kind of value in some way, even if it's as basic as counting words. And then the revenue is granted. So this is the crazy part, guys. If this website is getting 8 million views per month just from the organic traffic, and that person views about 2 pages or 2.5 pages, that would then equal to 20 million page visits. There isn't just one ad on one page. Sometimes usually there's 3 ads per page. So instead of 20 million, you're looking at 60 million impressions on these ads in a single month. And if these advertisers are paying around $2.50 per 1,000 impressions, they could literally be making $150,000 a month just from this one tool. It's just so crazy that these basic utility websites still work today, and nobody thinks about them. And again, like I said, it's so much easier to make these websites now than it has ever been before. So let me show you now how to do that. So we can use this platform called Hostinger Horizons. And for you to follow along with this tutorial, I'll put the link for this down in my description box below. Once you click that link, it will bring you to this page. The first thing you're gonna see is this chat box here. This is where you describe what you want to build. You just tell the AI what you want and it will make it happen for you. Here is the exact prompt that I used. Create a clean, simple word counter utility website app that provides useful everyday information in an easy to use format. Make it fast, minimal, and optimized for SEO. That stands for search engine optimization, aka Google, people searching on Google. So then I just hit submit. The AI immediately starts working on it, as you guys can see here, and you can just watch it create the site in real time, which is pretty cool. So within a few minutes, Hosting Horizons generated the first draft of our website. We have our layout, structure, navigation, and written content here. The first version looked pretty good, but I wanted to base it on features from another popular word counter website. So I went back into the chat box and I said, I would like to make sure that these features are added on the site. Keep everything as is. I just want to add these new features. Then I'm just going to paste in the additional features here. And the AI just might ask us if we're sure because the request was more complex. So we say, yes, I want to add it all. And after a few minutes, it added everything for us. And honestly, the site looks way better. It looks more modern, clearer, and more useful. So we can take apps that are like website apps that are already existing and just make them better. If you want to edit smaller sections, you can just click the Edit tab and adjust specific areas. For major changes, you can simply just use the chatbot on the left. And that's what makes this so beginner friendly. You guys can see that this platform, Hosting Horizons, creates real layouts and real usable content, not just like a bunch of placeholders, which is just so crazy. And another thing that's worth mentioning is the integrations tab. Inside Hosting Horizons, you can add built-in integrations like Supabase for user authentications or Stripe for payments. So if you want to monetize beyond ads, for example, say you want to start selling like a digital product within this website, you are able to do that and you can connect Stripe right through here. And once your site looks exactly how you want it, you're ready to publish. All you do is just go up to the top right and click publish. And once it's published, Hostinger gives you a default domain. But for this type of business model, you probably don't want to keep that default domain because search optimization is the whole point. You want to just make sure you get a domain name that matches what your site does so you make it very clear to people searching for it. So for my example, because this is a word counter tool, I want something similar to word counter. So we can go right over to ChatGPT and just ask it, hey, give us domain names for word counter. And it'll give us a bunch of domain names here. And this one looks really good. Once I pick one that I like, we can go back over to Hosting Horizons, just paste it in, and you can see that it's available with this .online domain or any domain that you want. Just make sure like it makes sense to the website. And we're going to pick that domain, connect it to the site. And now the website is live with a real domain name hosted all under Hostinger. And because everything for this site is in one place, you can also set up hosting, a domain, like we talked about, and a professional email without even leaving the platform. Again, if you guys want to try Hosting Horizons, I'll put the link right down in the description box below. And I have a little hack. Make sure you guys use that link to sign up and then use this coupon code BADDY to get an additional 10% off when you choose a yearly Horizons plan, which usually winds up being the most cost-effective long-term. You'll also get free hosting and a free domain with us. Now, this next part, guys, is going to be a step-by-step walkthrough of how to actually monetize this site. Very important. So let's start by opening a new tab and going to adsense.google.com. From here, sign in with the Google account or just create a new one. And once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the onboarding process. All you have to do is just enter in your website's new URL, which is your domain name. Fill out any additional information needed, then just select Start Using AdSense. Once you're inside the AdSense dashboard, there are 3 main things that you need to do to connect to your new site. Number 1 is just enter in your payment information, just because Google needs to know how to pay you. You'll fill out your details here, and then you're going to do the preview ads and get code. So now you're going to preview how ads will appear on your site. So in the center ad section, click Explore, and Google will generate a preview of your site starting with mobile view. Because if you guys didn't already know this, a lot of users are on their phones nowadays more than computers. So at the top of that screen, you'll see the red button that says Get Code. Just go ahead and click that. A pop-up will appear with your Google AdSense code and instructions explaining that the code needs to be placed between the head tags of your website. Just click copy, but do not hit done yet. Wait. So now we're going to go back to Hosting Horizons, and in the message field, just type something like, please insert the following Google AdSense code between the head tags of every page on this site. Then just hit Shift, enter a few times to create space, paste the AdSense code that you just copied, add some space again, then just hit send. The AI will process the request in the background. Once it's done, click publish again to make sure that the update is live on your site. You won't see any visible changes on the website, and that's totally normal, so don't freak out. The code is embedded behind the scenes. Now just go back to the AdSense tab and close the code pop-up by clicking done. On the right side, toggle auto ads on. This allows Google to automatically optimize ad placement for your site. You'll see ad previews appear. Just scroll through them carefully. And if any ad placement feels just weird and too disruptive, you can click not allowed icon on that area. A panel will open and blue highlights will show sections you can exclude. Once you're happy with this, just click apply to site, then just click save. You should now see a confirmation that your ad settings are confirmed. Now we are going to verify our site. Just click on Let's Go to begin the site verification process. By default, the code snippet method should already be selected. That's the snippet that we've already added. Check the box that says, I've placed this code, then click verify. If it verifies successfully, you're good to go. If the verification fails the first time, don't panic. Just go back to Hosting Your Horizons and tell the AI the Google AdSense crawler cannot find the code. Please ensure it's publicly accessible. Let the AI process this update, then you can publish again. Then return back to AdSense and click verify one more time. If it still doesn't work, you can switch to the meta tag method, copy that code and install it the same way, but most of the time this should work. Once your site is verified, click request review. You'll be prompted to create a consent message so your site compiles with regulations. Choose one of the first two options, submit it, and then close the window. Back inside the AdSense dashboard, click Sites in the left-hand menu to see your approval status. Approval usually will take a few days, and Google will email you if anything needs readjusted. Otherwise, once the site is approved, you are good to go. You now have the blueprint to start this on your own, and it's just crazy how simple it is to actually get it started. I really suggest brainstorming with ChatGPT and coming up with some unique ways and ideas for your own utility style websites. The more unique they are and the less that are actually out there, the more chance yours is going to be boosted on Google search. Think about tools that you or your friends or family might use or look for or talk about in real life, and then come up with that with Hosting Your Horizons and play around with it a little bit. All it takes is one winning idea to actually change your life financially. And obviously, this is not just about like copying and pasting somebody else's work. This is just an understanding of how simple websites can solve simple problems, and how I always say, solving problems is one of the number one reasons of why people win in business. Anytime you have eyeballs, there's always a way to make money. So if you can solve a problem for a mass amount of people, you get the eyeballs there, even if it's free. There's ways to monetize in today's times. You already know my YouTube channel is your number one source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this. Wishing you guys all the best with your online business journeys, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Don't let your education stop here, guys, because I have so many more free courses on my YouTube channel. Wishing you guys all the best with your utility sites and online businesses. Make sure you're following me on Instagram as well at Batty and Biz, Batty and BIZ for more business inspiration and updates. And I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye, everyone.